well, that's another year done and dusted. Firstly, I'd like to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that other festive bullshit. I had a good Chrissy, I had a good New Year's, I drank plenty of beers. I saw it come in, a little bit of fireworks, nothing too out of control because that shit's legal here, but it was pretty good. So I thought I should probably do a resolutions fucking video. I'm generally not one for New Year's resolutions, but I thought, fuck it, I'm gonna tell you people a few things that I'm gonna fucking do different this year. So when this light goes green, you can check it out. Alright, so I'm not really one of those guys that does the whole New Year, New Me bullshit. I'm still the same rude, crude, beer drinking, fishing, crabbing, bike riding, Harley fucking burnout and motherfucker. So I'm not going to start with that shit. There is a couple of, I don't actually know how many things I'm going to list now. I'm just going to rattle this shit off the top of my head. So the first thing I want to do is talk about YouTube, alright? Because that's why you're here. I started doing this video thing about, I think it's about 9 months ago now. It was for a bit of fun, you know, like I used to talk to myself when I rode around anyway, so when I seen people were doing it and recording it, I'm like, haha, that's for me, I can do that shit. So I strapped a GoPro on and fucking here I am. But anyway, some of you people like watching that shit, so that's why I keep doing it. I now have over 5,000 fucking something, whatever the number is, subscribers, and I love every single fucking one of yous. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this shit. So my plans for this year, 2019, is to keep doing what I'm fucking doing, keep grinding, keep making these videos. So hopefully you guys like watching them. That's the first thing on my cards. I don't have a vision board or anything, but you can pretend I've got one, alright? So that's up the top. I'm not one of those motherfuckers. But anyway, the second thing is I probably drink a fair bit, and I might try and cut that shit back a bit. I'm not talking a lot, maybe one less beer a week. Let's fucking not get carried away, people. Baby steps. Another thing, I've got a bit of a gut on me. I weigh 107 kilos, which is 7 kilos too much. I want to get down to 100. So there's one of those New Year, New Me fucking bullshit things, but I want to lose 7 kilos. I'm not putting a time frame on it, but if I do another one of these videos next year, I better be a fucking 100 kilos. Another thing I want to do, which is completely unrelated to this YouTube channel, is I want a fucking swimming pool at home. I really fucking want a swimming pool. It's hot as fuck in Australia, so I know people watching this overseas, it's probably snowing where you are, but let me give you a fucking hot tip. Pardon the pun, because it's hot as fuck. It's mid-30s over here, which is in Fahrenheit. So, and you're probably wishing it was that there, but I do cop a bit of shit for riding around wearing shorts. But man, when you're riding around in town and you're stopped at traffic lights and fucking whatever, man, you just sweat your ass off if you've got jeans on. So anyway, another thing I want to do is get back up to Cape York. I want to go bush again. I want to go where I have no phone reception, where no motherfucker can reach me. Except my wife, I will have a sat phone if she needs me, but that is the only exception. I want to go back up there with Uncle Trent. We've got a little honey hole that is full of pigs and barramundi and sharks and snakes and all sorts of shit that wants to kill you, but it's like our second home. We love it. Alright, so back to the YouTube thing again. My goal for this year is to get to 10,000 subscribers. That's my goal. I am having a bit of a race with Andrew from Touring Midwest. He called me out or challenged me to see who could get to 20,000 first, but I'm thinking, holy shit, that's a marathon, that's not a sprint. So, and I don't know if you have seen my body type, but I ain't one for running. But that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much all I want to do this year. I just want to keep working, keep making money, keep doing what I'm doing. Family, friends, all that shit, motorbikes, fishing, hunting. I just want to live the good life. I don't want to get rich. I don't want to win the fucking lotto. Of course I wouldn't mind it, but I'm not gonna, because I don't spend money on that shit. But I'm not chasing, you know, unobtainable fucking dreams. I just want to be realistic with what I aim for, and I'm gonna fucking get after it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've had a kick-ass Chrissy and New Year's. Whatever goals you set for yourself, make sure you fucking reach them, because it's up to you. No one else can fucking do it for you. So enough talking shit. Enjoy your weekend, or whatever day I'll put this up. And I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.